5 Best Car Refrigerator. Vehicular refrigerator with dual mode temperature. Dual mode temperature control. Equipped with refrigeration and heating functions, the temperature of the food can be controlled at any time to meet your needs. Larger capacity. Designed with small size but large capacity, 7.5 liters large capacity. With a thickened inner bladder, our GBT 3008 vehicular refrigerator is safe, hygienic, and odorless. Portable 12 volts 6 liters Autocar mini fridge. Designed for refrigerating or keeping food warm. A portable capacity of 6 liters. Can also be used to keep beverages warm. Easy to carry with. Door opens up. Installation, freestanding. Main color, white. Capacity, 6 liters. Net weight, about 1.6 kilograms. 100% brand new. Universal car plug heated lunchbox. Material, food grade high quality PP material. Voltage, 12 volts. Color, red, blue. For the number, 12. Maximum power, 40 watts. Material type, food grade high quality PP material. MFG series number, lunchbox. Volume, equals 5 liters. Item length, 23 centimeters. Car refrigerator freezer 2 type electrical. Cooler. The device can be used as a cooler and the inner temperature is 19°C lower than the surrounding temperature. Warmer. The device can be used as a warmer and the inner temperature can come up to more or less 60°C. Freestanding. It is easy and simple to carry the device in view of the fact that it will not take up much space and the complementary strap will be a helper. GBT 3008 7.5 liters mini car refrigerator. Dual mode temperature control. Equipped with refrigeration and heating functions, the temperature of the food can be controlled at any time to meet your needs. Larger capacity. Designed with small size but large capacity, 7.5 liters large capacity, you do not have to worry about the space to store your stuff. Thickened inner bladder. With the thickened inner bladder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.